welcome to my new house. This is the kitchen and this is the drawing room. This is where I can keep my clothes. Ooh. And here is my living room. Wow, I always wanted to have like this glass windows. There's also a balcony here. Wow. Wow. So now I'm going to put this one. I got some Sarojini and also one dream catcher. Then I also have my dream catcher which I got from Sarojini. Wow. I also got myself a mixture because this is like very necessary for me. One lighter. Wow. And water bottles.
There's been 2 weeks of rain in the city of sun. There's been 2 weeks of sadness, I don't remember one. Been awake, feeling better after coming undone. Let it rain, let it rain. I feel the waves crashing over me. Take all of the worries and drift away.
I got this almirah where I'll keep all of these. home studio here at my place, which will be very useful for me for photo shoot and for video. So last time I used to have backdrop, but that was like the cloth one. This time I have upgraded, and this time I have this seamless one. All these products, the stand, the backdrop, and this lighting, everything I purchased from Amazon. So if you guys want any of these, then I'll link in the description below. You use my link and buy the product. This is my stand.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah, 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 yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever.
I'm done with my studio setup. Though this my studio, home studio won't be here, it will be at that room. I'm happy with how everything came out. And this is my studio. I dreamt about, I always wanted to have one seamless backdrop like this, and one stand, and also this lighting. Thank you for watching this video. I am gonna update you more about what's there in the house, and surely one day there will be a house tour. Thank you everyone, thank you, and also subscribe please.